So today we're gonna paint these windshield wipers. I already took them off here. Just got one little 12 millimeter. Take both of them off, and we're gonna go and paint the brackets for the 87 rows there. Those are the nuts that holds the windshield wipers, so I painted those the same color. So I got my little paint station set up in here in the shed. And let's see, got the windshield wipers hanging right there. I already coated them with a coat of this metallic Rust-Oleum. Let's see, what is this? Metallic oil rubbed bronze. And besides from the windshield wipers, we're gonna paint this lower valance right here. Valance came in black, and we're gonna paint it red. This is the red we got here. It's just the sunrise red. It's a regular red. It's not a perfect match, but it'll look better than this black we got here. So I sanded it down a little and ended up having some ripples right here, some defects in the, because you know these aftermarket pieces of crap that come from Taiwan or China or wherever the hell they come from, Vietnam, they don't make them like they used to. So what I was doing here was, got a couple of tools. It's a little hammer and just a ratchet. And what I was doing here was, I just was putting my ratchet right here on the outside, and then with the hammer I was tapping it on the back side over here. And so you can kind of see I was tapping it out, and still kind of messed up, but better than it was before. And I don't want to bondo it and everything, so we're just gonna paint it like that. So I wiped everything down with alcohol, and my shop rag with alcohol, and get all the dust off of there, and we're ready to spray it. And we'll finish it up with some of this this clear that I got laying around, high gloss lacquer. All right, here we go, some light coats now. First coat. Now I know I got my red and my black painting stations right next to each other, right next to the chrome. So if you guys are doing this, make sure you don't do what I'm doing. Don't try this at home. And would you look at that? I already got overspray on the red. See, that's how it's done. You move stuff to one side. You got one side with red and one side with black over here. Don't mix it up. So you can see the bumper is off. There's the license plate. You know, we had to paint everything while we're gonna be doing it. So nice black bumper. That's what I'm talking about. I painted the top here with that metallic black, because I ran out of the gloss black for here. So, but check out that valance. That is a nice shiny red. 4 coats of red. And 2 coats of clear. Came out pretty good. Well, we'll show you another one coming back here when we get ready to install this. All the screws painted up. That way we can have a nice clean looking truck. So everybody fix up your trucks and let's do it. It's a workout. Alright, let's put this bumper on. Oh shoot. Alright. Easy. Which way did it go? Nice and slow. Oh.
You're not gonna talk or say anything?
Oh, I'm just being real careful because I gotta get it.
So what
on
are you
there.
doing?
I just getting it on those brackets. I gotta
Hola.
line it up. I got it on there. Now I just gotta put the bolts on and screw it up tight, and we'll be good to go. And that lower bumper panel, balance or whatever you call it, it came out pretty nice. Can't notice that much the color difference. Not bad.